Good evening, and it's great to have you with us here on a Wednesday night. And we begin tonight with the coronavirus here in the U.S. Tonight, the CDC is now saying the troubling U.K. variant is the dominant strain. Tonight, CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky saying the case counts, these spikes we're seeing, are still way too high to be thinking that we've won this race. The CDC had warned for weeks that the U.K. variant would become the dominant strain, and now it's here. Highly contagious and likely more deadly. Authorities report more cases now among the young in daycare, young people in sports, and now more people in their 30s and 40s getting sick. In several states, they're seeing them hospitalized with severe disease. Hospital admissions are up 10% or more in at least 16 states. But there is some encouraging news tonight. New data involving the Moderna vaccine indicating antibodies lasting 6 months out. And Dr. Anthony Fauci tonight on what this could mean for all three vaccines. Tonight, at least 109,408,000 have received at least one dose. That's more than 42% of all adults in this country. ABC's Whit Johnson leads us off here in New York.
Tonight, the CDC says the UK variant is the most dominant COVID strain in the U.S., highly contagious, believed to be more deadly, and now fueling what some experts fear could be the start of a new surge.
I think we're way too high to be thinking that we've won this race.
And the CDC increasingly worried about younger unvaccinated Americans, tracking clusters of cases connected to daycare centers and youth sports.
Hospitals are seeing more and more younger adults, those in their 30s and 40s, admitted with severe disease.
Hospital admissions are on the rise in at least 16 states. Cases in Michigan nearly tripling in the last 3 weeks. Doctors there are seeing many children needing critical care. Right. In Chicago, 18-year-old Zamaya Bell loved dancing and was a member of the Pom Squad.
She brought light into the room.
But her family says she got COVID in March, was hospitalized, and went into cardiac arrest, her mom rushing to her side.
All I can hear in my head, "Don't leave me, mama. Don't leave me, mama. Just stay with me."
But Zamaya's condition rapidly deteriorating. The high school junior passing away from complications from the virus. Her mother tonight with a warning for other parents.
This is not over. This virus is killing. No age to it, no race to it, nothing. It don't care.
More vaccines are starting to reach younger Americans. 38 states opening vaccinations for everyone 16 and older.
I actually was tagged in a post that someone shared on Instagram, so I just quickly hopped on it because it's very hard to find appointments.
Those vaccines believed to work against the variants. And tonight, more evidence protection from vaccines will last. New data shows high levels of antibodies at least 6 months out from the Moderna vaccine.
Antibodies delivered by vaccination persist at least through 6 months and likely from the shape of the curve well beyond that.
And more than 6 months into its study, Pfizer also reporting its vaccine is highly effective.
That was good news as well, but specifically on antibodies, promising news on the Moderna vaccine, those antibodies. Dr. Fauci today saying that he believes that we're going to see this in all three vaccines. And we should point out that this is still very early. The lasting effects could actually be even longer with.
David, that's right. Dr. Fauci was specifically talking about the promising new data from the Moderna vaccine at that moment, but he went on to say that he expects other vaccines like Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson will offer similar results, and that 6-month timeline is all they've been able to study so far. He also thinks that protection will last longer. David?
All right, Whit Johnson leading us off tonight. Whit, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.